hours. Highs in the upper 50s. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A Tennessee statewide Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of Gallatin Police Department for NOAA Clare. NOAA was last seen wearing gray sweatpants, a camo shirt, a black jacket and black shoes. NOAA may be in the company of Jacob Clare. Clare is wanted by Gallatin, Tennessee Police Department for aggravated kidnapping and custodial interference. Clare is also wanted by Beaver Dam, Kentucky Police Department for kidnapping and custodial interference. NOAA and Jacob Clare may possibly be traveling in a silver 2005 Subaru Legacy with Tennessee tag 42MY10. If you have seen NOAA or Jacob Clare or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Gallatin Police Department at 615-451-3838 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FINOFD. Here is the